June 21st, Tampa International Airport. A passenger named Sean was removed from a flight, tore a handrail off the wall, and was arrested. This is what the law says about what happened next. Witnesses confirmed 4 acts on camera: screaming on the aircraft, destroying airport property, and charging toward an employee. Probable cause was established in under 2 minutes.
Yep.
Okay, listen to me. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I don't know why I got kicked off the plane. I got a drink off this man. I was having a good conversation with my person sitting next to me.
Okay.
My fiance was sitting next to me on the other side, and then all of a sudden they're telling me they're kicking me off the plane.
Okay.
I got a little upset that they're kicking me off the plane, but then I said, okay, I don't want to cause problems. I came over to this guy here.
Yep.
Because he's been nice to me.
Okay.
He's the one who served me the drinks.
Okay.
He felt like I wasn't too drunk. He served me the drinks.
Okay.
I'm just
Control
trying to
one
go
up
home,
there.
man. Go home. I would like to go on the plane, and I'm not trying to cause trouble. I was just talking to the kid next to me. He's just talking to him next to me.
Coming off the aircraft, he was opening up all the bins and started screaming on the aircraft. Once he got off, he was still screaming.
Was this an inbound?
No, he was going out.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, he ripped the railing off the wall, and it looked like he was gonna throw it at her and I. So I said to her, let's go, and we kind of just like.
So you seen him rip that off?
He was charging. That's why we were like, yeah.
Okay. Can I see your side of the badge?
Yeah.
And your side of the badge? What do you need me to do? Alright. So if you want to go get the statement, witness statements out of the police room, okay. So they can go ahead and start writing their story out, because I got to do the CRA and everything. Gotcha. So I don't even know where they went. Oh, they're over there. Okay, you want to walk back down here, man?
What?
Back down here? You want to walk back down here? So it does appear that he damaged airport property. And we got maintenance coming out to take a look at it, see how much damage actually occurred. Because he ripped the handrail.
Nobody knows until I have that.
There was a handrail that he snatched off the side. So, but if you want to have a seat right there, man, we're going to go over there and talk with him. Right here, man. Just have a seat right there. Okay?
Thank you.
All right.
So it's going to be at least criminal mischief and disorderly intoxication.
Okay.
So
Wait.
What
Wait,
was the
what?
criminal mischief? How much?
oh, it's going to. I guarantee it's going to be over 1,000.
Wait.
Yeah, you ripped the handrails off. Yeah.
Hang on, let him finish talking, okay?
Just so you can hear.
You ripped the handrails off down there.
Yes, I did.
Okay, that costs money.
Okay. Can I get a ticket for that and
No.
then still move on with my travels?
No, you lost that opportunity when you lost your temper.
So I have to be arrested?
Well, I'm going to tell you for right now. Just go ahead and put your hands around the back right now. Turn around.
Sean, just like we put these on, we can take them off if we deem that, okay? Necessary, okay?
Just stay calm, and it makes this process a little easier.
Hey, first, can I get one?
You don't need to. You don't need to.
I know, but I don't want to pinch your
but
skin.
it hurts your
I
shoulders.
don't want to pinch your skin.
It hurts your shoulders.
And that's why we're doing what we're doing.
If we wrench it, it's two, it hurts your shoulders.
So there's no way I'm catching this flight.
No, there's no way catching this flight.
So
you
can somebody go back and get my fiance?
She's right there. I'm dealing with her. She's right there. She's sitting over there, so I will inform her of everything that's going on.
Okay.
All right, man, do you have your ID?
What?
Do you have your ID on you?
Florida law is clear property damage over $1,000 is a third-degree felony. John confirmed it himself. Yes, I did. Unsolicited. Admissible. Damaging. Miranda applies to custodial interrogation, not voluntary statements. Sean's admission was spontaneous, no warning required. But when the officer followed up with a direct question, a Miranda advisement would have been cleaner procedure. Graham versus Connor. Force must match the threat. Sean was calm and compliant. Handcuffs only. The standard was met. The officer adjusted the handcuffs, buckled the seatbelt, and told Sean his cooperation made a difference. Every person in custody is entitled to dignity. This officer understood that.
Yes.
Okay, let me get your ID. Figured they're down there talking to him. Let me go ahead and get contact number for him. What's the phone number for you? Well, being the guys are out of state, and I'm still waiting on the maintenance to come and do a property damage estimate, it's going to be fairly expensive to replace that handrail. So he's going to, and he's intoxicated. So he's going to go to jail.
Okay.
And he'll have to get bonded out, or he'll get issued a bond at the jail, or however the jail's going to handle it. We may be able to bond him out tonight, maybe tomorrow.
I don't know how any of that works.
Well, it's downtown Tampa is where he's going to go.
Okay, so how do what do I do? Can I get a ride there or something?
Once he goes down there, give him some time, he'll be able to call you.
Okay.
So when he calls you, then he'll tell you where to go and what to do. Okay?
I'm going right here. I'm right here. What is it you need?
I just want to.
So, you already explained to her how it's going to happen?
Yeah, so what's going on. I was explaining to her how to get a hold of him after.
Okay. So it'll be quick and painless. We'll get him over there, get processed, and he'll come right back out. Okay?
So,
He'll come back.
well, you have
So
I'll get processed, come back out, and then we have to find another flight to go back to Buffalo.
So you can
And it's
ask him
going to be 2 days for
I
that.
can meet you down
down at the jail.
Yeah, it can take a while sometimes. Depends on how heavy the book they are. If they got a lot of activity, it can take a
down
couple
at the
hours.
jail where?
He's going to give you the address. 1201
Can she follow us
I have
to
no,
a point?
I don't.
Can she follow us to a point?
You don't have a car here, right? So he'll give you the address. You can Uber over there.
Yeah.
Great.
We'll text you. Yeah.
We're going
Okay.
to a whole different location.
Yes.
So we'll send her over there. Once you're processed, she can start arranging to get you.
Can you guys help me out at all?
We're gonna do this as quick as possible.
No,
painless
no,
as
not
possible.
not quick as
What do you
possible,
need?
but the least ticket as possible because I never hurt nobody. I never threatened nobody.
Listen, this is part of what's gonna happen to you. You're gonna go down, get processed, you're gonna get a return date. Once the return date comes, they're gonna issue you an attorney. The attorney's gonna call the state attorney's office. You're probably gonna make an arrangement to pay for whatever damages you make. Once you pay for the damages you make, it's probably gonna be no price.
Oh, so I can possibly still leave here today.
Well, no. Well, he's basically giving you an expectation of how the legal process works.
Right.
Yeah, you know.
Well,
So
you are going to probably leave today, depending if I don't know your background, I don't know if you want it anywhere else. I don't know if you have a
oh yeah,
history.
I have nothing. Yeah.
Have you ever been arrested before?
Well, I have, but everything has been convicted and charged.
Okay.
So,
Got it. We'll turn this way.
Yep.
Go.
So there's nothing for me.
So, this is the perfect scenario. You have nothing pending. You're gonna go down there. You're gonna get bonded out. You're gonna bond out, and then from there on in, you're gonna get a court date to either come back or make a phone call. You get an attorney. You make arrangements. You pay, and you probably have to see Tampa again. That's how you.
So basically, I'll be let out tonight.
What time is it? Yeah, very likely. Very likely.
Very like or very early in the morning, maybe
Like
1
after
to 2.
midnight or something, depending on how busy they
Depending
are.
how if it's not busy, then you be in
Can
town.
you guys
Is it
try
this
to expedite me?
We don't have any say of that or control over that, brother. I wish I did, but we don't.
You know me first?
Yeah.
Depends. If it's crowded, then the process is slow. If it's quick and you got it pending, then you can be here.
Yeah.
We've seen guys come out and we haven't finished the paperwork yet.
Yeah, that happens.
I shouldn't even be here in Tampa.
No, I know.
should be in New York, but because they transferred us because they canceled our flight, I'm here in Tampa, man.
Yeah. We'll step right through here.
Yep.
So just-
Okay.
Yep. Watch your
Yep.
step. Yep. Watch your step. Yep. He's gonna pat you down, and then we'll put you inside. Okay.
Not a problem.
All right, brother. I'm gonna bring you right over to the back of the car
Okay,
here,
yep.
right here, and then I'm just gonna have you stand facing the car, and then open your legs a little wider. There you go.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Sean, you don't have anything that's going to poke you, do you?
No.
Okay.
That was right there, bro.
That was close.
That was right.
Dude, I saw it. That was right there.
Hey, Sean, you didn't move. We all jumped. Yeah. You stood still like a pole.
That's pretty good. Where you from?
No,
Buffalo?
I'm from Kansas, but I
Oh, you're
grew up-
Tornado Valley.
I
Then.
grew up in Buffalo, New York.
You're gonna get there. You might have to find another airline if they don't fly every day.
I don't understand. Okay. I was mad about, and yeah, I broke the thing that was already broken. I understand that. I should owe a couple $100 fine, but I don't understand why I'm being arrested.
Sean, have a seat for me and I'll explain that to you, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who's cuffs?
Listen, hold on.
One is mine.
Sit first.
Yeah.
Sit first.
Yeah. Take your time. Take your time.
There we go.
You don't have to hurry.
And listen to me. If you need to sit sideways, because I know it's not comfortable. So whatever makes you comfortable, get that way,
I'm
okay?
good.
Okay.
I'm good. Wait, hold on.
Yep.
Can you loosen my left hand?
Okay. Can you put it out this way? Yep, there we go.
Just a little bit. Just one notch.
This one right here.
Yep.
Okay.
One notch would be great.
I'm going to loosen it one notch, but what happened was it twisted a little bit around your wrist is what happened.
My
It twisted
wrist
this way,
is-
right. Yeah, it twisted this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Is that better?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there's your
Thank
one.
you.
No, you're welcome. Listen,
Dude, I'm not trying to cause trouble.
listen. You have not been a knucklehead to us, and that's why we're treating you the way we're treating you.
I didn't mean to cause
We know
trouble
No, we know.
in the airline.
We know that.
We know, bud. We know. Trust me, we know. You're not a bad guy, bro. We know.
I gotta let you go all the way back.
Okay.
You don't have to do it. It's
I
fine.
it's our policy. I
Trust
have
me,
to.
we live in a
Well, then
world
you did.
now where we have to do
Then you
it.
did.
Yeah.
You buckled me in.
Watch your elbow
Hey,
there.
thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You,
Good luck,
you
all
were
right?
really nice to me,
Of course.
and I understand what I did. I understand what I did wrong,
Okay.
but it was in aggravation.
No, I understand. I do understand. I
Thank you.
sympathize with you, brother.
Thank
I do.
you, sir.
You're welcome. We'll make this as quick and painless as possible, okay? Okay, good luck. Watch your head, all right? We're going to close you in. Be careful.
What should have happened? For Sean, comply, walk off, call a lawyer. A canceled flight is frustrating. It is not a criminal matter. Tearing airport property made it one. One impulsive act. One felony. Entirely avoidable. For the officers, 30 seconds and a Miranda warning before asking Sean to confirm the damage. The admission survives without it, but best practice leaves no room for argument. Primary officer, A. Probable cause, solid. Force proportionate. Communication exemplary. Sean, C+. Cooperative after the fact, genuinely. But one act of destruction and one self-incriminating statement decided the outcome before the handcuffs came out. Lessons from this incident. One, anger in public has a price. The airline dispute was civil. The handrail made it criminal. 2, say nothing. I'd like an attorney is a complete sentence. It is not guilt. It is the most protective thing you can say. 3, how you behave after arrest shapes what happens next. You cannot undo the act, but you can affect the outcome. 4, intoxication explains the behavior. It does not excuse it. Florida law does not accept voluntary intoxication as a defense. The charges stand regardless. Let us know what you'd like us to cover next in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget Justice on Cam for more.